right, let's walk along the boardwalk here. Saw a couple nice dogs. Oscar. I was talking to one of the. They've been pretty slow since COVID. Won't be any ships until the end of the month, you said?
Today's the last day for the month.
Yeah. So. They have Blue Bitch restaurant we've been to before.
Where?
I don't know, I said it's up here somewhere. You can, kids can slide and hang out. Got the, all the ships over there. People always trying to sell you jewelry.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm just saying, we're trying to sell you all kinds of stuff. Little cloud cover. Maybe different. This is their boardwalk. Yeah, this is still trash.
Oh, that's too bad. Tear the damn thing down. It's a prime location.
Yep. See, some of you come in, you got.
Look at the loungers are still there.
Yep.
Prime location, this wall right here.
Right.
Oh my God.
Yep. Tear it down and make something new.
It's
Shame.
been like that. Well, we were here in 20. It's been like that at least 4 years.
Yep.
When did Sonia say Irma was?
2017, I think.
2017.
Yep.
8 years it's been like that now.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
What?
No, I'm try to cover the mic if I can. Try to cover the mic, the music.
How come?
Might then they'll share the revenue.
Oh.
So there's a little more hopping down here.
Well, the bars and restaurants.
Yeah.
The beach.
Yeah.
Here's the bitch.
Yeah. Carib, good beer, inexpensive.
Oh, the grease was nice.
I know. It is. Blue bitch. Yep. Yeah, we were here last time. It was pretty dead. So. Mr. Cool gift shop. Mm-hmm. What? Yeah, I know. My favorite.
Come on, 5 minutes for a cold drink.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, it's cold.
You know where you are, baby.
Here one.
Yep.
Good.
Yep.
Fettuccine Alfredo is really good.
Yep. Beach Pro.
That's a good deal. 2 chairs, umbrella, 4 drinks for $35.
Yep.
Whew, that's a good deal.
Yep.
I don't know how splendid they are. The rooms, the hotel.
I don't know. More people walking out here. All kinds of music going on. I don't know if it gets dinged, it gets dinged. What? Yep. Might be new, you never know. St. Maarten Catholic Church, St. Maarten. Souvenirs. A little Buddha action. Jet skis, jet skis, jet skis.
Yeah. Does that sound good? We have to wait the money. Can you wait the beach or the pool?
Can we get back? I don't care. We kind of see how the pool will be more fun, I think. Maybe some other time.
The Infinity or the other one?
We'll see. You go the other one. No. No.
What do you want?
What?
Remember there was a hurricane here?
Yeah, I do.
2017?
Yes.
There was the West End Hotel up there.
Yep, we know. It was destroyed.
Come and take up you.
Yep.
Now I'm gonna give you this one. So, oh, please.
No, I'm good. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, we know. 2007. More cigars. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it was a Hard Rock. Yeah. What? Yeah, I know. Big pool would be more fun. What are you barking at? Yeah, it's hopping down here today. Could you imagine if there was 4 ships in this thing here? Lots of things to eat, lots of places to spend your money at, as you can tell. Meet Blondie, Carville, already then. Food. Cheesecake. Oh, nice little pool right here.
Oh, for the hotel?
Yep.
I don't remember this. This is new. This pool was never here.
Little bar, local champion hoodanny.
That's new. That's nice.
Yep.
That's good. Makes me happy. Thank you. This is new.
Yep.
Market.
People are all going to be always trying to sell you something. Do I play college football? I don't know.
What does that have to do with anything?
It's just a conversation. He's trying to get you, talk to you. Pizza. I think we ate this restaurant up here. Didn't we? This one up here come up here?
A couple of times. I mean, that's where I said I had that was the best shrimp I've ever had.
Yep. The gunt on that, Jesus.
You're not doing anything.
Ridiculous.
Yeah, that was it.
Oh,
Cool.
they rebuilt it because it was written all over on
Yeah.
things. Oh, we've been here. We love it. We've eaten here. It's really good. We'll be back.
Yeah. Eat something. On the boardwalk, baby. What? Yep. Yep.
Way cheaper.
Yep. Lizzie's Bar and Grill, man. What?
Feet are starting to bother me.
Yeah, we're heading back in, aren't we?
I need swimming. Badly. I need to get off my legs. I need.
They're eating their food. Eat it up, man. Those are pretty fun to rent. We went on a long time ago. Call them the rhinos, kind of. That's the cruise ships over there.
That's not even annoying me. It smells good.
Oh, the cigar?
Yeah.
Yeah,
smells
'cause
like
it- what-
cigarette.
Because it's a.
I walked through. Oh, Jesus, woman, put some clothes on.
Oh my God! Look at
Oh
that
my
behavior.
God.
Look at that behavior.
Oh, fucking A. Boobs about ready to pop out.
Free shot there for you guys.
What the fuck is that?
That was a woman that had no respect for her body.
I mean, I understand being a confident woman when you're heavier, but that's trying to be like you're 120 pounds.
Yep.
For lunch today?
Nope.
Nope.
You ready for lunch, buddy?
I'm going right there.
No.
What about some beach chairs and
Anyways, we're getting to the end. The boardwalk. You know,
These are new.
yep. Yeah, more shirts.
I'm glad to see Mama's still kicking.
Yep. Yep. All kinds of fun stuff. I like that one. That was kind of nice.
Nice.
And they're nice.
This one's better.
Better.
It's not so.
My brother would love that. Yep. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Yeah, I know. All right, see you next one.